Okay, so this is the original base design, kind of a triangular shape with the two motors up front and the sensor, and then kind of the roller in the back with some sort of basket slash dumping mechanism. And this was the final product. So kind of stuck with the triangular shape. We still got the two motors up front and then the roller in the back. For the top, I wanted it to be pretty clean. So we obviously have the battery pack, the microchip with all the pins and capacitors and stuff like that. And then I drilled these two holes so that the wiring looked kind of clean up top. I also put some tape down and a zip tie to organize it. So obviously there's the power control that turns it on and off. My code is still loaded from the competition, but if we kind of just drop down and take a look from the side, you've got 4 sensors. The 2 in the middle ideally are sticking to the black line as best as they can. Flipping the bot over, try to set it down. We've got, sorry, my motor driver. Got the motor driver, and then obviously the connections to the 2 different motors connected to the motor driver, which is obviously connected to the PIC 24 on the other side. And then you've got the wiring of the sensors, the 4 sensors, with the power and ground, and then all the PWM wiring. So that is pretty much it. Originally, I had this kind of sitting flush. It kind of just sat right here. But what I noticed was that it wasn't following the line very well because the sensors were in the same axis of the motors. And so it would kind of do this like big shimmy pattern. It had to do that so that the sensors could finally, hit the black line. After I moved it up a little bit and got it off that same axis, it did help it. If I had to redo it, I would definitely put the sensors on the other side, so that it could pivot better, so that, it just had more time to react. So yeah, I would switch the wheels around so that, it was just able to follow the line a little bit better. And so that the sensors aren't on the same axis. So this is it. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and it was a super fun project.